Hello friends! So today we are back with yet another video. I'm pretty excited to teach you two new words today. So stay tuned and keep following us to learn new words every day. The first word that we would learn today is meretricious. So what does meretricious mean? Meretricious means something that looks very attractive on the face of it, but may not have a real value. Jewelry may look meretricious if it's artificial. A person who's overdressed may look meretricious. The next word that we are learning today is gullible. Gullible means naive or someone who can easily be deceived. So for example, we can say a person who shares his financial information to a stranger is gullible. So these are the two new words that we learned today. Make sure to stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, like our video, and be back tomorrow. Bye guys.